Harry was a white dog with black spots who liked everything except getting a bath. So one day, when he heard the water running in the tub, he took the scrubbing brush and buried it in the backyard. There he is burying the scrubbing brush. Then he ran away from home. There he is running away. See all the cats looking at him? He played where they were fixing the street and got very dirty. There he is getting very dirty. He played at the railroad. There's the choo-choo train. Choo-choo. And he got even dirtier. He played tag with other dogs. And then he got even dirtier still. You see the other dogs? There's Harry. Where's Nana? Are there cats? Where's the guy on the roof? Working on the roof. You see him? Yep, there he is. He's working on the roof. Because you know what's going on. He slid down.
There's a truck.
Yep, there's a truck. He slid down a coal chute. And he got the dirtiest of all. In fact, he changed from a white dog with black spots to a black dog with white spots. See him? Although there were many other things to do, Harry began to wonder if his family thought he'd really run away. So, he felt tired and hungry too. So without stopping on the way, he ran back home.
He's by the couch. Go ahead, finish the story, puppy.
When Harry got to his house, he crawled through the fence and sat looking at the door. One of the family looked out and said, "There's a strange dog in the backyard. By the way, has anyone seen Harry?" When Harry heard this, he tried very hard to show them that he was Harry. He started to do all his old clever tricks. Look, here are Harry's tricks. He flip-flopped, and then he flop-flipped, and then he rolled over and played dead. He danced and he sang. Ruff, 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 ruff. He did these tricks over and over again, but everyone shook their heads and said, "Oh no, it couldn't be Harry." Harry gave up and he walked slowly toward the gate, but suddenly he stopped. He ran to a corner of the garden and started to dig furiously. Soon he jumped away from the hole, barking short, happy barks. He found the scrubbing brush, and carrying it in his mouth, he ran into the house. Up the stairs he dashed, with the family following close behind. He jumped into the bathtub and sat up begging with the scrubbing brush in his mouth. A trick he certainly had never done before. "This little doggy wants a bath," cried the little girl, and her father said, "Why don't you and your brother give him one?" Where's the ducky? There's the ducky. Harry's bath was the soapiest one he'd ever had. It worked like magic. As soon as the children started to scrub, they began shouting, "Mommy, Daddy, look, look, come quick." "It's Harry, it's Harry, it's Harry," they cried. Harry wagged his tail and was very, very happy. His family combed and brushed him lovingly, and he became once again a white dog with black spots. It was wonderful to be home. After dinner, Harry fell asleep in his favorite place, happily dreaming of how much fun it had been getting dirty. He slept so soundly he didn't even feel the scrubbing brush he'd hidden under his pillow. The end.
Get the Play-Doh down. Which color of Play-Doh do you want?
Green.
You want the green Play-Doh?
I get green Play-Doh. Green Play-Doh.
You're going to have to turn it upside down. And pop on it. Yeah. It's stuck.
Guys, orange Play-Doh.
Orange Play-Doh.
Orange Play-Doh.
You know everything. How could you possibly know so much?
Dorothy, how old are you? Are you 2? 2.
Yeah.
Show her how to do her little fingers to make the 2.
Say like this.
Yeah.
I'm 2.
You're 2 years old.
I'm 2 now.
I'm 2 years old.
Orange Play-Doh. Orange one. Orange Play-Doh. Orange Play-Doh. How? Pink Play-Doh.
Pink Play-Doh.
Pink Play-Doh.
Pink Play-Doh. Dorothy, what color do you like the best?
Pink Play-Doh.
Oops.
Green Play-Doh. Green Play-Doh. Quick 'em up.
Squish them up.